Introducing the Reme Halo air purification system for your whole home. The Reme Halo, powered by RGF's proprietary Reme cell technology, is installed in your air conditioning system. When the unit turns on, it operates silently and continuously. It produces airborne hydrogen peroxide molecules, which are distributed to the entire conditioned space of your home. The Reme Halo uses active cleaning technology that directly targets pollutants. Every time a hydrogen peroxide molecule comes into contact with bacteria, viruses, mold spores, and odor, it quickly breaks down and reduces air quality contaminants at the source. The system also passes a charge off to all the dust, dander, pollen, and allergens in the air, which causes them to stick together. The increase in size will make your existing filter equipment more efficient at capturing these particles. The Reme Halo is literally purifying the air throughout your whole home at the same time.